Name it.
I feel bad for the boyfriend at prom because they're going to have to go through those guys as well.
That is true. All right, again, we are tracking Hurricane Michael. Terrifying moments for a news crew that we want to show you in Florida. The crew, they took shelter in a hotel, and as one man tried to hold the lobby door closed, debris hit it, shattering the glass. The reporter on scene says the crew had to helplessly watch as the hotel's awning blew off and debris hit cars outside. Moments ago, the governor of Florida, Rick Scott, held a news conference, and he says there are no confirmed fatalities, but he says crews are being deployed by air, land, and sea to begin search and rescue missions. And another scale showing the power of Hurricane Michael. 18 Waffle Houses closed ahead of the storm.
That never happens.
Yeah,
Ooh.
and that's why it's used as a measure of the storm. FEMA actually uses the Waffle House Index as a way of tracking a storm's effects because it is so rare for any of them to close. Waffle House hopes to reopen those restaurants as soon as possible.
I remember eating at a Waffle House in Navarre, Florida, and I swear, like right up the road, the hurricane came ashore, Hurricane Aaron, and they were open. There was a guy reading the paper. I'm like, first of all, where do they get the workers to come in and do the work? Yeah. And where was this one dude reading a newspaper while there's this hurricane blowing in?
Nothing to see here.
Nothing to see here.
And look at the pictures coming in. We're seeing the buildings collapse, and these are just the early images so far. We know there will be more.
Absolutely. There's going to be power outages for a long time. Weeks. A lot of places, yeah, possibly, you know, maybe even longer than that in certain spots, depending on what we see when this is said and done. Here's what it looks like locally. We have 80 degrees in D.C. right now. We're looking at temperatures generally upper 70s, low 80s around the area. It's another day in the 80s. Wind, they're very light. Tomorrow, we're going to be very close to that. Maybe one more day into the upper 70s and low 80s before things drop considerably. But tonight, it's very quiet outside. If you're going on out and you have any plans outside, no problems for you whatsoever. So let's go to Futurecast. A couple of stray showers, that's about it tonight. It stays warm, it stays pretty muggy throughout the overnight hours. Now by tomorrow morning, we may see some spotty showers that have a little bit heavier rainfall than we have out there today. And then as we get into the day, Futurecast hiccuped this afternoon, by the way. That's why there's a lag in the data. But as we go to, say, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, late afternoon, early evening, we'll watch that moisture stream in from the south. So your drive to work tomorrow, things are going to be damp. It's going to be mild temperature-wise, maybe some showers here and there. Your drive home from work this time tomorrow night, I would expect widespread areas of some rain. And we're talking Montgomery, Frederick County, Loudoun County, and areas off to the south. If you're watching from the far western side of our viewing area up into Allegheny or Garrett County, you know, your chance of rain is very, very low. But from the district and areas south, all evening tomorrow, late afternoon through the evening hours, there's going to be some rainfall, some moderate to heavy rainfall, possibly some thunder and lightning with that as well. And we're going to be watching for some localized flooding areas. I don't think some totals in the 2-inch plus range are going to be out of the question, especially into southern Maryland and areas down, say, around the northern neck, the eastern shore of Virginia, places like that. Then by Friday morning, this is midnight on Friday, this all starts to move out very rapidly. By Friday morning, it is long gone. But what we have overnight, Thursday night into Friday morning, are the winds. So some wind gusts. Watch as we go into the evening. So this is tomorrow night at 10 o'clock. These winds diving in from the north, winds gusting 25 to 30 miles per hour. Certainly far less than they're dealing with off to the south. But for us, trees are going to be rustling around tomorrow. Here's midnight. Let me stop this, say at 3 o'clock in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning on Friday. While a lot of you are sleeping, these wind gusts, 30, 35 miles per hour after the rain, we'll watch that possibility of some of those trees with the moisture falling. So that'll be one of our threats that we'll watch for. But just as quickly as this comes in, it leaves. And by the end of the day Friday, even midday Friday, we're back to those wind gusts 10, 15 miles per hour. So have your umbrella tomorrow. Rain kicks in the afternoon. The temperature up near 80 degrees. And then by the weekend, we're back down into the 60s. Friday night football games. You're going out to those high school games. You're going to want your sweatshirt for that. It's going to be chilly. And over the weekend, some spotty showers possibly on Saturday with our first temperature down in the 40s of the season by Sunday morning. We'll be right back.
They thought you were loud then. They should hear you now. You're the brotherhood of muscle.
During the fall cleanup event, get $2,500 total cash allowance on the 2018 Dodge Durango SXT all-wheel drive.
In the Senate, I work to keep all Virginians safe.